Sorry.
Sige po, pa-interview lang po kami. Miss
Tayo.
Welcome here, and then kaawrahan lang niya.
Photo.
Ay, sandali lang po. Sige po.
Doing any movies right now? Yung movie nyo ni Seth, kumusta?
Actually, of course, because of the passing of, we all know, Mother Lily, medyo na postpone. Hindi naman postpone, na-cancel talaga. Syempre, a respect na rin po para sa family ni Mother Lily, of course. But, kakatapos lang po namin actually, siguro mga 1 month ago.
Alright. So, finish na.
So you're,
Yes, tapos na po
you're
namin.
excited.
Of
When is it
course.
showing?
Hindi pa po namin alam. Yun. Wala pa masyadong info about it, pero natapos na po namin
Who's your
siya
director?
gawin. Sorry?
Who's your director?
Director Santa King.
Chris.
Yes.
Pero what about TV? Do you have any upcoming TV projects?
Sa ngayon po, wala pa po akong masasabi. I would say confidential and sa akin na lang po muna. And
So meron.
Hopefully, sana po meron. Yan lang po.
So wala kang beauty routine talaga?
What
I mean,
is your
low
beauty routine,
maintenance ka?
Bata pa siya, no?
Medyo ganun po. I would say ang mas nag-aalaga ng skin ko, I would say myself, real perfection, and the people who makes me happy.
Do you have skincare routine, Francine? Meron kang routine na
Specific
ginagawa?
skincare routine.
You just like what do you do after a shoot, after taping and everything?
Syempre,
Cleansing.
yes, cleanser, oil remover, makeup remover, and then yung hindi ko na po masyadong pinapakomplika pa yung skincare routine ko. So yung mga simple, yung natural lang. So I just really wash my face before I sleep and pagkagising.
Did you experience anything bad for your skin in
Like
the past?
nagka-acne ka ba
I
before?
think
Or
yung
pimples?
pimple. I think kapag ka talagang nagdadalaga ka or sa teenage stage ng life mo, I would say yung acne ko.
Nasira ba yung self-confidence mo? Sorry. Hindi
Of
naman
course,
naka...
for me, it's normal. But habang lumalaki din naman po, ikaw na nakakakita ng perfection sa sarili.
A lot of girls and boys your age parang struggle with self-confidence, lalo kapag with skin insecurities. What's your message for them or advice?
Ako kasi, nung bata pa ako, like, I would say siguro mga 14, 15, sobrang lagi lang ako nagko-complain sa, oh my God, may pimple na naman ako, oh my God, lagi na lang akong hulas. And then, I started on maging actionan, kumbaga. So, nag-invest ako sa skincare products, sa mga pagkain na kinakain ko everyday. So, yun yung masasuggest ko talaga. Nagsistart talaga siya sa loob eh. So, kung ano yung pinapasok natin sa katawan, mag-reflect din naman siya sa labas.
Hindi issue yung price ng products sa'yo.
Depende. Before, syempre, issue siya. Pero ngayon, mas nandun ako sa thought na kung makakatulong siya for me, for my confidence, kung makakatulong siya na mas mahalin ko rin yung sarili ko kasi naalagaan ko yung skin ko and myself, then I would say yes.
Where do you plan to spend the holidays?
Hindi ko pa po
Wala pa.
napag-iisipan.
No plans yet.
Wala pang plan.
Very na
Special
next
diet,
week.
Francine.
Po?
Special diet, like you mentioned, pagkain, I mean,
Yeah.
what you take in affects your skin. Do you have any special diet, the things you avoid and the things that you eat a lot to make your skin better?
Wala naman po masyado. Pero ngayon, I would say mas ma-drink ako ng pineapple juice. I don't know why. Pero ang masasabi ko, nakakaganda siya kung pabawas ng I don't wanna say taba, pero nakakabawas siya ng laman and everything, nakakapagpaganda
Protein.
rin siya. Yes! Thank you for that. Yun po.
Okay,
Pero-
thanks.
Ang sales ng pineapple
Last.
juice.
Pero,
Yes.
pero Francine, are there times ba na you don't feel beautiful? And what do you do about it?
Actually, opo, all the time eh. Pero,
Ay!
ang hirap eh.
Kawawa
Parang
naman kami.
fake it till you make it. Yun lang po talaga. Ako yun ang mantra ko sa sarili ko when I feel ugly. Just
Alright.
thank you.
Thank you, Francine.
Bye, Ate.